Gate starter holds the button. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for the favorite Olympus Queen. From the outside, running by the rushing up is Saga. Also moving up Conqueror, number 7, right to eye in between runners. Olympus Queen, Saga, right to eye Conqueror, and running in fifth, Fearless Boss down on the inside is Wheel of Destiny. My wife doesn't know Kidlat. And on the outside, Yeskin, top spin, flying G. Entry number 4, second last, face to face, and Fantastic G is running at the tail of the field. Olympus Queen by Anek. Saga is running by Daral Conqueror. Y2I is running in third by Daral as they swing for home. Olympus Queen followed by Saga. And on the outside is Y2I Conqueror as they race the last 250. Olympus Queen Y to Y on the outside. Saga is running by the rail. It's now Y to Y. Yeskin on the further outside. Wheel of Destiny. Y to Y. Yeskin moves up to grab the lead. And finally, Yeskin number 10. Second, Y to Y. Saga, Wheel of Destiny, Conqueror, and Fearless Boss. Super.